Okay guys, so I told you about that bad earth in another video, and what I did was I took the earth from down here. Yes, if you're wondering, I'm in the boot. The boot's shut. So I took the earth from here and I connected the earth to here, and the rear wiper works. So I'll try and do it one-handed. I'm going to struggle, I think. I'll try, because it is quite interesting. Okay, so the wiper works from there to there. That's fine. The wiper also works when I connect it to the middle block on the 3-pin of the boot. So I did wonder if the middle wire had gone bad. It hasn't. I actually cut it off, trimmed it, resoldered it. Nope. So that's fine. So it's working from there to the wiper. That's not a problem. But it's not working from here to the plate. Isn't that interesting? So it's running a bit rough, isn't it? So has this gone bad? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop the boot, and I'm going to use another wire from that wire to there. I'll be back in 2 seconds. So guys, I've just literally pushed this out of the block connector. Now if I connect this to the middle one and it doesn't work, then this wire's gone bad somewhere. Okay? My guess is that this wire has gone bad. The earth point, wherever it goes to, the nearest earth point here has gone bad. But if this is an earth, why is it blue and purple and not black? Anyway, let's see what happens. To the plate, nothing. To the pin, nothing. So what I could do is take that earth from there under the car to this and then connect it up. I reckon that'd work and be the most discreet. What I was doing previously was running it from here to here, and obviously there was a wire dangling down in the boot. So literally a wire from here to that connector, and I reckon that'll work. Wonder why that's gone bad though. Right, I'll get it connected up and let's see if it works. Right guys, I've taken a wire straight from this earth here. This is the wire. I crimped it and shrink wrapped it. Okay, so I'm going to put that into the earth that's on the body. That black wire goes to the middle terminal contact plate, the middle box on the contact plate, and let's see if it works. So I'm just going to touch the earth in. Let's see what happens. It's there. Right. Tucked away nicely. It's not dangling down from the top like it was before. Wipers off. Wipers on. off, on. Awesome. Let's see if the boot pop works. No. Let's try that again. Hey! Don't know what that was all about. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, that's one last job. Something I noticed as well. I think the boot's been leaking for a long time because there's drain holes. I never put them in. I've owned the car since 2007. So you can bet your life it was that rusty bit on the spoiler that I did yesterday. Yeah, I'm happy with that, guys. Arch, still work in progress. I rubbed it all down, primed it again. Yeah, don't ask. I'll get back onto that tomorrow. Putting a bit of Tiger Seal on the seal, just to keep it in place. Doing it bit by bit. Yeah, back out tomorrow. Okay guys, hope you're all keeping well. Just figured I'd update you on this panel. So it's been painted, I've lacquered it, both rattle cans. I've just started rubbing down with a wet grey Scotch pad from about here. So I've blended it here, all the way across, and down. I have started rubbing it down, which is why it's so dull. Yeah, I'm pleased so far. I think it's going to be alright. I don't know, let's see how it goes. It's not perfect, but I think it'll be good. Let's see. It's better than rust, put it that way. Yeah, I'm going to take things easy. I got an awful bad back. I'm not sure what I've done there. Don't know. Slept funny maybe. Yeah, so I genuinely have no idea how people blend to like a localized area like this. I can't do that. Instead, I'm going to blend it to here. So I know this paint I just scuffed up above the line, and I'm going to scuff it back down now, and then polish it up. So I'll polish with some G3, then T-cut, then top coat polish. Now I'll put the trim piece back and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, I've gone over the whole panel with a wet and old grey Scotch pad, so it's not the most abrasive. Now I'm going to go over it ever so gently with 2500 grit, wet and dry. Going to be wet, plenty of soapy bubbles in the water, and yeah, hopefully. Okay guys, she's flatted and polished up. So I blended it into here, this line here. Okay, now what I did was a little bit unorthodox. A lot of painters wouldn't probably want to do this. It's a daily driver, it's fine. Literally 1 centimeter all the way across. I oversprayed the lacquer and then I just nicked it down to that line when I polished it up. It's a daily driver, guys, but there's the final result. To show you an example of what I mean by the overspray, you can see it just on the cap there. Okay, so I've still got to rub that bit down. A little bit of lacquer on there, but yeah, I'm happy. This proves you can do it yourself. You got 3 weeks off, get and have a go. Any questions? Let me know below, guys. If you'd have done things differently, let me know. What next? So I think I'm going to tackle this side next. This side is a little bit worse. Feels like the inner might be better on this side than on that side, but this has obviously got more scabs on the outside. And I remember it had scabbed down here as well, so this would be skirt off all the way. So there's definitely rust down here. I put some filler in it a few years ago. Yeah, I'm just going to keep the videos coming while we're off. I know they're a bit kind of all over the place, but something to watch. And it's something for me to do. It's high at the front because I've had it jacked up. Let me know your thoughts on a black bonnet. Would you, wouldn't you? Or would you try and... There's not much you can do with that. I'm thinking black bonnet. Let me know what you think. Stay safe, guys.